What's up, everybody? So today we're going over to my cousin's house to help him get his car ready for next weekend. Apparently there's a thing going on offline, so we're gonna go check that out. I think he registered his car to put in that. So we're gonna go help him get it started, get it cleaned up. You guys haven't really seen it much. We did a little video on it last year, but nothing too crazy. So let's go help him get it started, and we'll take it back to my place. Try to give it a good detail, just get it cleaned up and ready, and maybe do some more little maintenance stuff as far as interior, exterior stuff goes. So yeah, let's head to his place. So we just got the car started. I don't know if you guys can see him back there, but yeah, we're heading back to my place now. Let's get this thing cleaned up. All right, so we just got back to my place now. We got Josh here, and pretty much we're gonna have him kind of give us a rundown of what he wants to do with the car today. Like I mentioned, we're gonna kind of do some cleanup stuff, but I guess what do you have?
So we just got the car started, finally from my place, brought it over here. Then we're gonna put the manual ECU back in it, put it back in its home, put the interior back together, do some minor detailing, and clean up the exterior for a car show.
And that car show, I believe, is what, off the line?
Yep, off the line.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to, like you said, get this thing cleaned up enough to make it presentable and take it out there. I think you have to pre-register or something for that one. So yeah, we'll go through, like you said, get the exterior good detail, probably do some like buffing and polishing on the headlights, get the interior stuff back together, and we go get some little cruisers, some rollers here.
Some rollers after the rain.
You guys, but yeah, I guess let's go ahead and hop into it. Step one is putting the ECU back in there. We're getting it back into place.
Yeah.
So this had an automatic ECU at one point.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Automatic ECU.
So we're putting the manual one back in.
Manual trans.
Empty. Let's see if we can get it tucked back in there. Okay, so the ECU is in. Next up, we gotta do this front piece, and Josh has got some new carbon fiber, because as you guys can kind of see here, it's a little yellowed. That's nice and clean. Let's go ahead and slap that bad boy in there next with just two little screws.
Everything has to go that way.
Yep.
Unless we just leave that in there. Well, you got it all day, right?
Yeah. This thing's been drifting before, huh? Central circuit. Never know what you're gonna find in this thing.
You really don't.
Looks like there's just one. Is there anything in the back here? There's gotta be something else back there. Two right there.
No, there has to be more. Oh, it's rusty. Sell it.
Yep. We can powder coat it though. We have the technology. Line it back up with the little pegs. Make sure you slide forward. Old and yellowed. Nice and clear. What's next?
The radio.
The radio? Okay, and then we gotta do the glove box next. That works. So, glove box next. So next up we got the shifter surround here, as well as the radio bezel. Fresh, clean looking carbon fiber. The other stuff that Josh has got is pretty yellowed, so that'll go around there. That's better. That looks so good with the fresh carbon. And this all opens up. Heck yeah. That looks so much better, so clean. You got that side over there, it's kind of yellowed still. Yeah, carbon looks so good in there now. Next, do we do those ones? You've got the doors
We can
too?
do them now. I'm going to be ordering the new switches all the way around, so I don't know if we want to wait or we just put them in.
Yeah, we can put them in for now. It's pretty easy to pop out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do them. Now we got the interior all cleaned up and got the new carbon fiber bits on there, it's looking really good. Let's go ahead, move on to the exterior. We got to get the headlights cleaned up, remove any of the overspray on the windows, and then just give the overall exterior a good wash. So let's go and do that next. So we're just gonna give this a quick little polish. I'm not gonna sand it or anything. Looks like it's already kind of been scuffed up at one point. So we'll see what the 3 stages here of 3M can do. So hopefully we can clear this up a little bit. There's stage 1, looks pretty good. That was the better looking light, and that one's now quite hazy. Let's move on to stage 2 next. Stage 3 next. Oh yeah, way better.
100% better.
Yeah. There you guys have it, stage 3. Nice and clear. So remember, this one was the bad one over here. Or I guess this was a good one over here. And now this is the good one. There's a major difference on those two. That one looks like it's been clear coated like Josh said there. So we'll see what we can do on that one too. Alright, so next up we're going to try to remove this overspray off this window. I don't know how well you guys can see it. There's a little bit of a haze. But if you take some steel wool here, it'll take that off. I mean, there's a little bit of like the SRI blend and stuff on the quarter panels here. You guys can see it right there, which that'll have to be buffed out. But for now, we're just going to try to tackle the glass and get that cleaned off. So let's see how that goes. Alright, got the glass cleaned up there. I don't know if the camera even shows the haziness, but it's all gone now. Let's see how Josh did on his headlight. Oh yeah. Nice and shiny. So next up, let's do the exterior clean. nice and centered. Oh, that looks sick.
Yeah, it does.
Especially with it being on tinted window like that. It's super dark. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, dude, those headlights are way brighter than what they were before.
Yeah, they are.
Holy cow. They were like just dim before. Yeah, this thing cleaned up nice. Well, take it for a cruise?
Take a real quick cruise.
All right, let's go. Let's hear what this 1J sounds like. I want to say 2J, not yet.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, she kicked up a little bit.
Yeah, she did.
Just a wee bit. Heck yeah. Yeah, that 1J sounds good. Let's see if we can pick up that turbo floater on this one. Yeah. We definitely got audio. We gotta put a mic or something in the engine bay just to hear it. A little bit.
I have to like load up the engine.
Yep. So I'd say tonight was pretty successful. What do you think?
Yep. We
Got
got
it
our
all-
mission accomplished.
Got it all cleaned up and ready to go. Hopefully have it ready for, I guess we're gonna be, what, next weekend?
Yep,
Next Friday or
week.
wata. So
Yep, next Friday.
we may have to do a little bit more touching up here and there, but I think, yeah, we should be good for now. We still need to get some rollers for the Civic though. I think that's next. Get this
Yep.
thing and the Civic out next to each other. We really need to get the 240 and this out together, but Civic's going to be first because it's kind of in the carport right now. So maybe we just got that thing kind of put together with the wheels and tires. But for now, we will come back once we go to the car event. So stay tuned.
Eventually.
Well, I gotta say, that was a good time going over to the Off the Line open house there, their little dyno night. Super cool seeing all the different types of cars that they had there. A lot of clean builds, a lot of kind of high horsepower builds, which was really insane. That Viper that you guys kind of saw in the montage there. Didn't really get up close enough to be able to see the dyno run, but apparently it made like 1,800 horsepower, which is just insane to me. That thing's gotta be just a death trap. I mean, it's super sick. It's a Viper, but then again, it's got twin turbos making 1,800 horsepower. That's insane. But yeah, it was super cool walking around, checking everything out. Seeing the Bozo Zoku cars was another kind of cool experience. I've never actually seen any of those in person. And then one, obviously the one being a Sylvia, is really cool to check out. The other one, I'm not really sure what it is. If you guys do know, throw it down in the comments below, that pink one. I don't know if it was like a 7 Series BMW or Cresta. I couldn't tell. Didn't have any badging or anything on it. So if you guys know, throw it down in the comments below. But otherwise, had a great time. We got Josh's car all prepped and put together, and you guys got to see a little bit of an introduction in this video. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions of things that you want to see done to that car. Obviously, I feel super motivated. I want to do more stuff after seeing all these cars and working on Josh's car. We've already put in a little bit of work into the Civic. I've got a ton more stuff to do to the Subaru here. We've done a bunch of stuff here in the background, which you guys will be seeing a video here shortly on that one. We got a little bit more buttoning up to do, but we've made some pretty good progress on that car. And then, of course, I want to do stuff more with the S14 now that I've gotten to see all the drift cars and high horsepower cars and doing stuff with Josh. So I'm a little motivated to do some stuff. I just need to find the time to be able to do everything. But yeah, overall, super fun. Had a great time. And the other thing is they had the little drift cars, the little RC cars. I kind of want to build one of those. If you guys want to see something like that or have any suggestions on how to get started in that or know of any good brands, throw those in the comments below. I'd be really curious to see what you guys have to say. But otherwise, hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.